Hello and welcome to my channel. Sincerely, I want to react to what just happened. A new INEC chairman was appointed. Nigeria just entered another critical phase of its democracy, and this appointment will, for now, it will either deepen trust or widen doubts in the electoral system. Maybe I should just say it will widen the doubt in the electoral system. I am so much worried why the president should be the one appointing or selecting INEC chairman. And I also wondering why the acting chairman was not allowed to at least act for a while. Meanwhile, Professor Joash Amupitan, SAN, the senior advocate of Nigeria, may have an impressive academic record. He's the one that was appointed. And, he may have a legal background that is so big. But let me tell you, Nigerians are tired of those credentials used to mask political loyalty. We are tired. What Nigerians want is simple. Is he truly independent, or is he a Tinubu man? Nigerians are not looking for who will be manipulated. Imagine a president appoints INEC chairman. It is not as if the INEC chairman process is by based on your level. No, the president appoints. Can you imagine? He could appoint his family member who is part of INEC. And you can already predict what will happen. Some people will be saying, is he a Tinubu's man? What do you expect? But they should have allowed the lady, and Mamuche also, to act for a while. Like I said, I'm not marveled by whether he's a professor or not. The professors have dealt with us. The only professor that pleased us was the one returning officer in Abia State gubernatorial election. If not, I would have written off all professors. So don't be amazed by his records. After what Mahmood Yakubu did, his controversial tenure, especially the 2023 elections, INEC's credibility is almost zero. At the lowest, I was like, I'm not okay with the 2015 election that ousted Jonathan, but I saw worse in 2023. Something that is worst. So, when Tinubu announces a new chairman, naturally, the public asks, will this man serve the people or protect the system that brought Tinubu to power? For me, I still see the same system. Meanwhile, they said Amupitan, the name sounded like Yoruba. Somebody said he is from the North Central. Are you serious? But the regional balance is not the problem. What we want is electoral integrity. Nigeria's democracy doesn't fail because there are professors or sons. It fails because powerful politicians manipulate the system. And they expect the institution to obey them. So we are not amazed. The government called him a man of integrity. Nigerians will be watching his actions, not his resume, not what is attached to him. Will this man allow INEC to be transparent? Will he reform beavers, the usage of beavers? Will he upload results promptly and correctly? Will he confront this issue of server shutdown in 2023? Or will he quietly become another Mahmood in the same machine. Another Coke in the same machine. In the end, the new INEC chairman's greatest test won't be Abuja meetings. It will be polling units. Yes, how he handles pressures from the ruling party, and in whether the next election feels fair to everyone. You know, uh, Nigeria should come to a point at the end of the election, everybody in the country will say, oh, this is free and fair. When have we had that last? When have we had that last? Hmm? When the average voter will say, oh, this election was quite fair, the best. When have we had that last? Now, if Professor Amupitan can prove that the independent, INEC is, we used to have NEC before, National Electoral Commission, the time of Humphrey Nwosu. I think INEC started with 1999, I think so. So the I in INEC means independent. Is it going to be independent? Will this new professor, our INEC chairman, prove that the independent in INEC means something? Will he make Nigeria regain trust in the electoral system? Do you know that many people are not voting? Yes. The reason they are not voting is because not because they don't want to vote, but because they know that their vote may not count. There are videos of people, you see people thumbprinting election results. You see figures, this and that. You see several PVCs dumped in canals and gutters, thrown at odd places that you don't expect. And many people are denied their right to vote. So, will INEC truly be independent under this guy? Will this guy make Nigerians to begin to trust INEC again? Or will he join the long list of disappointment, people who have disappointed us in the electoral history of Nigeria? Don't be deceived though, whether he's from Middle Belt or wherever he is from. The name sounds Yoruba to me, but some people are saying he's from Middle Belt. We will get to know. Maybe Middle Belt Kogi. I am not deceived by that. We are watching. We will see how it goes. Meanwhile, for now, you are welcome, new INEC chairman. And I think it's pending the approval of the Senate. Certainly they will approve it. Akpabio is there. There is nothing that Tinubu sends here that will not be approved by Akpabio. We already have a subservient Senate. So what do you think? Anyway, viewers, add your comment on the comment section. React to this video. Tell us what you think. Please don't fail to like, share, and subscribe. I'm Azoka OJ. Bye-bye for now.